Namaste everyone. Myself Thakur Anand. Today I'm going to teach you some yogic practice for cervical spondylitis, which will give you a lot of benefits. You know, my friend, this problem is very common nowadays. But the main point is this problem now have been seen in early years also. So because of this, we feel the headache, the neck pain is severe. So we feel the dizziness, numbness in the shoulders, and sometimes the darkness in the eyes. So my friends, there are a lot of exercises, but from my experience, I'm going to teach you some important exercises or you can practice with me also, or you can practice anywhere anytime, but after food minimum gap 2 hours. So you have to practice 11 days to get it yourself. So let's get started. So please first adopt any comfortable posture. If you cannot do the Padmasana, or maybe you can sit in the chair on the block, or you can use the pillow also. So let's get started. So please place your hands on your knees with the palms up. Make sure your spine and the head erect. Relax your shoulder joints, relax your facial muscles. Gently close your eyes. Thanks to God to give us the priceless life. Then slowly just open your eyes. Place hands on your knees. The first exercise for neck. Inhale, look up, stretch your throat muscles. Exhale, look straight. Please remember, don't bend forward. Inhale, bring head back. Exhale, look straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, second exercise, we need to look left and right with breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Look to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Look to the right side, but remember, don't bring shoulders back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Look straight. Now slowly bring the left hand to the temple. Then we need to create the opposite pressure. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly bring your left hand on your knee. Inhale. Then exhale. Now one more. Inhale. Exhale. Now opposite right side. Inhale. Exhale. Very important exercise for neck. Then bring hands in front of your face parallel to the floor or equal to your shoulders. Please remember that. Then inhale, stretch hands up, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Don't forget the breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now bring tip of fingers on your shoulders. Exhale, forward. Inhale, then from the elbows. Exhale, make your arms straight. Slowly, slowly. Inhale, exhale. Then slowly bring your hands on your knees here. Now shoulder rotation, so please bring your tip of fingers on your shoulder. Then inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Try to make your elbows close if you can. Inhale, then rotate back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and then slowly bring hands down on your plate. Then stretch hands. Then slowly inhale, bring hands over the head, look up. Exhale, hands down, slowly look down first. Then again inhale, stretch hands up. Exhale, look straight. Inhale, slowly bring hands over the head. Exhale, slowly look straight. Now change, bring hands behind the head, interlock the hands. Again we have to create opposite pressure. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Bring hands down here. Now last exercise. Now rotation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now back to forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So like that, my friends, we can practice, and these exercise practice very useful for cervical spondylitis. So please remember, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button also to get a new notification. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Namaste.